always leave her waiting. I always leave her down. If she should come my way, I always turn around. But please don't tell her I love her. Please don't tell her I love her. I always keep her out. I never let her in. If she should come my way, weeping, I greet her with a grin, and I say, please don't tell her I love her. Please don't tell her I love her. If she should discover the color of my love, she will fly away. Now you can try tenderness, or you can try to hang around. Well, but I'm sure she'll love you less. I'm sure she'll bring you down. But please don't tell her I love her. Please don't tell her I love her. Please don't tell her I love her. But please don't tell her I love her. But please don't tell her I love her.
Took a look down a westbound road, right away I made my choice. Headed out to my big two-wheeler, I was tired of my own voice. Took a beat on the northern plains and just rolled that power on. $12 out of Mackinac City, stopped in a bar to have a brew. Met a girl and we had a few drinks, and I told her what I decided to do. She looked out the window a long, long moment, then she looked into my eyes. She didn't have to say a thing. I knew what she was thinking. Roll me away, won't you roll me away? said she missed her home. I had it all along. Still alone on a mountaintop, staring out at the Great Divide. I could go east, I could go west, it was all up to me to decide. Just then I saw a young hawk flying and my soul began to rise. And pretty soon